How to treat and maintain a healthy gut using VitaPost Probiotic support. Good day everyone, I am here to explain to you how to improve healthy gut, and later in this video, I will show you how VitaPost Probiotics supplement will help improve your gut health. First, let us understand what gut health is all about. Everyone knows that the gastrointestinal tract is important to your health. It transports food from your mouth to your stomach, converts it into absorbable nutrients and stored energy, and shuttles waste back out of your body. In recent years, your gastrointestinal tract has been linked to numerous aspects of health, like emotional stress and chronic illnesses such as cancer and diabetes. We now know that the gastrointestinal tract is full of trillions of bacteria that not only help us process food, but that also help our bodies maintain overall well-being. The key to many health issues may lie in your gut, more formally known as the microbiome, which is the bacteria and other microorganisms in the stomach and intestines. Studies have found that certain environments, foods, and behaviors can influence gut health. Here's why that matters and what you can do to improve yours. Why is gut health important to you? All food is ultimately broken down in the gut to a simple form that can enter the bloodstream and be delivered as nutrients throughout our bodies. This is only possible with a healthy digestive system. A healthy gut contains healthy bacteria and immune cells that ward off infectious agents like bacteria, viruses, and fungi. A healthy gut also communicates with the brain through nerves and hormones, which helps maintain general health and well-being. What are signs of gut health problems? When your gut is thrown out of balance, it's normally easy to tell. You'll likely be experiencing bloating, gas, diarrhea, stomach pain, or nausea. These imbalances often fix themselves after a short time, but if they become chronic issues, they might require medical attention. Gastroenterologists can test for specific conditions associated with your microbiome, like an overgrowth of certain bacteria. What you can do to maintain your gut health. To manage and maintain a healthy gut, you need to follow a balanced diet, stay hydrated, exercise regularly, and get a good night's sleep. Basically all the things you need to do for overall health. Staying healthy will help you maintain a healthy gut. The same habits that are bad for other parts of your body, like smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, can also hurt your microbiome. Avoid taking unnecessary medications and talk with your doctor about how your current drug regimen might be affecting your gut health. Limiting red and processed meats and refined sugars can also improve your gut health. It's also important to get the recommended amount of fiber, 20 grams to 40 grams a day, depending on your age and gender. Things like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds are sources of healthy fiber that you can add to your diet. Most people don't meet these guidelines, so I normally recommend keeping a food diary to track your intake. Should you take a probiotic? Probiotics are the good bacteria that line your digestive tract and support your body in a variety of ways. These good bacteria can affect digestion, processing food, and allowing you to get the most out of what you eat. In the last 10 decades, we've learned through clinical studies that probiotics may be able to help ward off disease-causing microorganisms, aid digestion, help us absorb nutrients, improve immune function, and reduce symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, including constipation and diarrhea. Among the myriad strains of probiotics, there's no known strain that acts as a cure-all or single preventive aid for these conditions. But the still limited research has shown that a rich, internal microbiome, one that includes a variety of probiotics and nutrients, can support a healthy digestive system and a well-functioning immune system. While we're a long way from determining the particulars surrounding those individual strains, the research shows that probiotics are low-risk and likely beneficial, especially when consumed through a nutrient-rich diet. Because probiotic supplements aren't for everyone, you should check with your healthcare provider first to see if a supplement would likely benefit you. You can maintain the dominance of essential good bacteria in your body by eliminating foods that feed bad bacteria and consuming probiotic-rich foods or taking probiotic supplements, like VitaPost Probiotic Support. Benefits of VitaPost Probiotic Support Supplement. 1. It supports the immune system. 2. It supports healthy digestive function. 3. It supports balanced gut flora. 4. Its support for a healthy urinary tract. 5. It replenishes good bacteria. 6. It supports healthy skin. VitaPost Probiotic Supplement is only sold at the official website of Probiotic Support. I went to their official website and copied the link for you guys. I'm going to place the link here in the description of this video for you to make a safe purchase and receiving the original VitaPost Probiotic Supplement from Vita Balance Incorporation directly without having any complications whatsoever, alright? VitaPost Probiotic Supplements support key ingredients. 1. Lactobacillus acidophilus. It can be found in sauerkraut and some yogurts and cheeses, and it's one of the good guys. There are multiple benefits of Lactobacillus acidophilus. It can produce lactic acid, which sets back bad bacteria. 2. Bifidobacterium lactis. A high-quality study has shown Bifidobacterium lactis to be beneficial in supporting the immune system in healthy, active adults. 3. Lactobacillus Plantarum. It is commonly found in sourdough, brine olives, and kimchi. It is known for its significant antioxidant activities in food and its support for intestinal walls. For Lactobacillus paracasei, this is another kind of lactic acid bacteria commonly used in the fermentation of dairy products. It's known to be a part of normal digestive flora and is associated with a good balance of bacteria in the gut. Getting healthy gut is a lot like training for a marathon. 1 or 2 days of healthy eating won't make up for several weeks of bad choices. The benefits come over time, and it's never too late to start. The thing to remember is it isn't just about eating 1 or 2 superfoods to improve your system. It's the whole package. The most important thing to look at is your dietary pattern, the majority of foods that you eat most of the time. Do you eat fast food 4 or 5 times a week? Do you eat fruits and vegetables at most meals? Do you cook at home but rely on processed mixes for meals? These are some of the questions to ask yourself when assessing how you currently eat and what you can change for optimal brain health.